Hello, welcome to Sky City, DJI headquarters in Shenzhen, China. My name is Freda. I'm leading the Global Solutions Engineering team in DJI Enterprise. Today, I want to talk about our recent advancements with DJI Dock. As you know, drones have evolved from recreational gadgets into must-have tools for many industry professionals around the world. The developments in the technology continue to expand the boundaries of drone applications. We went from pictures to point cloud, from manual flights to waypoint flight missions, and the list goes on. These advancements have greatly improved the ease and safety of drone operations for pilots. However, we recognize the need for further advancements in drone automation to make this technology more accessible and easier to adopt for organizations across various industries. In response to this need, we introduced the DJI Dock in March of the previous year. As the first drone-in-a-box solution offered by DJI, the DJI Dock represents a major stride towards the true autonomy in drone operations. By simplifying the learning curve for companies seeking to establish or expand their drone programs, the DJI Dock has made the adoption of drone technology even more seamless. Through its integration with FlightHub 2 or third-party solutions such as FlightNow, the DJI Dock allows companies to concentrate on data analysis while the dock automates data collection. Let me show you a real example to illustrate better what I mean. In Jilin, a city located in northeastern China, the Jilin National Grid power line inspection crews are responsible for restoring the power supply after snowstorms. With a 6-month-long winter and temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, inspection crews are susceptible to frostbite and snow blindness. This is a perfect scenario to deploy DJI Dock and conduct inspections that are far too risky for people. Sitting in the monitor room of the Operations and Maintenance Center, the operator, with a few clicks, can select a dock device and carry out an immediate inspection of any given substation and its connecting lines. The dock and the M30 are able to perform the inspection of the assets in the field, while the maintenance crew monitor the progress from the Operations Center, which is 60 kilometers away from where the dock is located. The DJI Dock offers the availability to perform fully automated drone operations remotely. This means you can plan and schedule activities to be performed on a desired work site without the need of being physically on-site. This opens up the possibility to scale drone operations like never before. Our main goal with this solution was to create something reliable, even beyond visual line of sight, and able to perform up to the standards of a DJI product. DJI Dock is designed to operate outdoors unattended for long periods of time where extreme weather conditions such as wind, rain, snow, heat, and humidity are commonplace. DJI engineers have racked their brains to come up with various waterproof and dustproof designs to achieve the final IP55 protection rating. This includes a modular design, drainage designs, water immersion sensors, and more. In addition, a series of reliability tests have been carried out to verify that the DJI Dock can withstand the extremes of weather. Here is a short video to show we've tortured the DJI Dock. the launch of DJI Dock in March 2022, we have carried out beta tests in more than 50 locations to ensure that the dock operates smoothly in varying environments, terrains, and industries. In December 2022, we officially started the commercial shipment of the solution to selected end users in China. Committed to deliver this solution to our customers, we have continued to ramp up the assembly and production of the dock. We're proud to say, right now we have shipped over 600 DJI Dock in less than 3 months, and this number is of course still growing with the time. A staggering 1.5 million flights have been completed with the dock thus far. And now, the next step is to replicate our successful delivery and user experience to more countries. Just as we committed during the previous Airworks event, we plan to start dock shipment to international markets in Q2 2023. Whether you are still considering or have already started your drone program, at some point, you'll need to demonstrate the cost savings or the return on investment. Here, let's take the solar inspections for example and see how the cost savings of DJI Dock looks like. Let's say you're the owner of a 100 megawatt solar farm and you're considering how to monitor your assets to maximize the energy production. You have a few different options. The first option is to do no inspections at all. Unfortunately, this approach will result in a reduced power generation, which could end up costing you up to $140K USD per year. Option 2 is to get a service team to work around site and manual inspections. On average, it could take 2 persons 5 hours to inspect 1 megawatt. So to cover the entire 100 megawatts, they need to spend roughly 65 days. If you're doing it twice per year, like a lot of people do, the estimated cost could be $120K USD per year, which is still pretty high, and you still can lose more money due to the issues happening between those 2 inspections. And then comes DJI Dock. With the Dock hardware and deployment, plus a third-party inspections analysis software, you might need to spend around $45K USD. But the cool thing is you can inspect 12 times per year and even more if you want. Solar inspection system developed by SNE Grid, one of our solutions partners in China, is able to process drone imagery with AI analysis and create reports. They're also working on a solution to integrate the DJI Dock system with their inverter system. So whenever an inverter senses an error, the drone can fly directly to the corresponding location and inspect nearby panels. This is another great example of how drone autonomy can be a part of the IoT network and create a synergy with the other smart devices. In last year's Airworks event, we have demonstrated the DJI Dock capabilities with Flight Hub 2 and the other third-party solutions such as Flightbase. Next, onto the global market, I believe more innovative applications can be discovered with the collaboration between DJI and the other solution partners. Thanks for watching.